Hi friends, welcome to my next blog. In this blog, we are going to showcase you the next phase of the production. And if you have not seen my previous video where I have shown you how to upload a app in the Play Store, that video was in the YouTube. You can search on my YouTube list or video list. Now we are going to showcase you how we can make this after close testing, how we can go to the production. So suppose here this one where you can see this the Ferranta captain and it is showing. Uh, Here you can see like our we have Ferranta captain application and like means it was we have put it that is the close testing on August 10 and now we have completed the 14 days. Now we are going to inside this once click on this part. It is showing the apply means here you can see apply for SS production means we got this notification or message once we have completed this 14 days testing period with 20 testers. So now we are applying for production. When we are applying for production they are asking for these are the some questions and I have prepared the answer for this one, so I'm just copy and doing paste here. Okay, next, how easy it was to test for Apple is either difficult. Yeah, it will be somehow difficult to if you are a newer person or you don't have any much larger audience, then it will be very difficult. If you have some friend circle, then it will be a what will be your solution you can put here. Next one is that describe the engagement you have received. I have already prepared for this so that it will not take much time. Okay, I have put it here also, but it is going to write in the 483 watts. Let's delete this part also. Okay, again 337 means though the testing data was engaged, few testers left during that day. No need to write this one also. Okay, now it's done. So the next part, all this part is completed. When we are moving to the next part, click on next. Then again they are asking about the app, who is your intended audience of your application. Here we can mention whatever the your intended audience, so because all user who want to travel through cab they can book to this app and describe how your app provide value to user. Means you have to write some stories again here. Story is like how you are provide the value to user. We are providing with PG access of cap with best price in the market with our new business logic. Okay. How many installs do you expect your app in your first year? So let me suppose this one. Okay, then again we have to move to the third phase. In the production readiness, what changes do you make to app based what you learned during the close testing? Here also you have to write some story. We got some response for betterment of app and flow of app with tester and changes done according to that. How do you decide that your app is ready for production? We have tested with multi user, so now it is ready to go ahead. In future, we will keep on changing as per demand. Bas. This much you have to write. Whatever the story you want to write, just you write there, and you just go for the apply. Once you apply for this production, that will show you to like this one. We have your application for the production access. It will hardly take again. They have written this usually takes 7 days, but maybe possible within 2 to 3 days. Let's see how many days it will take. Another video I will come with this after you have applied for the production. Again, there is another process is there where you have to move to the production. Either you can. upload a new APK from the production, or you can directly use this APK to production. How to change that one? So let's see how this thing happen. I will show you that in the next video. So keep subscribing, keep supporting.